Pwede pala sa
significant difference in our lives. Unahin mo yung sarili mo. And then, our relationship with others. Is there someone here that you hate? Or you love? Love. Is there someone here that you have offended?
I'm Dr. Michael Santos. So, I'd like to announce updates for our timeline of activities today. So, for our third topic, it will be divided into 2 sessions. First, he has been impacting individuals and organizations for over a decade. With 10 years of full-time ministry experience, his talks help countless individuals overcome obstacles and find purpose in their lives. His ability to connect with people from all walks of life has also led him being invited to speak at various companies where he has shared his insights on leadership, teamwork, finance, career, and personal growth. Aside from being a speaker and trainer, he is a consultant for different companies, the director of StockSmarts, the host of live talks at the Manila Times TV, and was a TV host for CBN Asia. With his unique blend of insight and passion, he's the perfect choice for any event where you want to inspire your audience. Whether you are looking to level up your team or seeking personal growth, his dynamic presentations for our third session, Sir Neil Guillermo.
Good morning, everyone!
Good morning!
Ang pabuhay, no? Nag-isip ba kayo?
Yeah!
Parang hindi kong gutom lang kayo. Ang ganda ng session ni Miss Ludi, or tinitita ko na, hello tita, namamas ko po. How many of you pagod kayo sa trabaho? Kasi I heard na yung mga iba, tuloy-tuloy daw yung shift. Taas ang kamay ng pagod. Taas ang kamay. Taas ang kamay na pagod, pero fresh pa rin. Yung may katabi mo, fresh pa rin ba? Fresh pa din. Nice, Miss Rosemary, kung sabi niya 16 hours daw siya. Pero parang fresh. Okay. Tell the person beside you, I'm glad you're here. Sabihin mo. I'm glad you're here. Sige. So, what we will discuss today is about teamwork. And gusto ko, habang magsiset up din ako ng computer.
Dapat meron kaming strong communication. Kasi kung wala kaming communication, nakanganga lang kami, nagtitingin na paano kami magkakaroon ng teamwork. Yun. Ang second namin ay dapat meron kaming mutual respect para sa isa't isa. Kung kami ay magkakagalit, paano kami magti-teamwork? Mag-aaway kami. Sa ideas pa lang, iba-iba na kami. Kasi, kunyari ang pangalan mo,
Si CJ.
Yun yung mutual respect.
Kaya ano lang, example lang. Paano kami magkakaroon ng teamwork kung kami hindi niya ako nire-respeto? Laban lang din. Ang last namin, pero syempre, we have to share the same knowledge and for the same purpose namin. We have to share each other to yung mga aming knowledge, so yung aming mga insights. Yun lang. Thank you.
Assume man lang ngayon, anong gagawin ko, magtitinginan lang. Although minsan you can communicate kahit nagtitinginan lang di ba? Pero hindi mo sure kung yun yung iniisip nila. You will communicate your targets, your goals, yung mga tasks na kailangan, anything work-related. But as we communicate,
hopefully, our team did take a lot of, we had a lot of takeaways from the session, and hopefully we can apply it in our work, and we look forward to having another session with Neil in the future. And thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Santos. I just had my session with Sir Neil. Okay, and yung pinaka-highlight ng talk niya are the 5 C's. I am a resident training physician, a future head of the pathologist, and I aspire to handle my own laboratory in the future. So those 5 C's. But the most important of all is the 5th letter, which is Christ. So when you put Christ in all of the things that you do in your work, and when we apply those 4 C's along with my teamwork, okay, so I guess we can achieve those objectives, those culture, and I highly recommend you to have Sir Neil as your speaker during your teamwork.